Is it even possible to make your own instrumentals, musical covers, on songs without using musical instruments? Like piano and guitar? Or even make instrumentals of popular songs and to avoid copyright claims, which worries many YouTube creators? If you have any desktop, laptop, computer, and Wi-Fi connection, this video is for you. I can't believe I found this app. What's up guys, it's me, Acel Paulino, and here I am for another tutorial for you. There are things I want to share to you, especially if you're a beginner like me. I'm not a professional musician, but I know this video will really help you. So first, I found this online website for music creators. And believe me or not, even if you don't have MIDI instruments, just using the keyboard of your laptop or computer, you can make your own music. This online website is called Soundtrap, or you may search for www.soundtrap.com, or you may check the description below for the link, where you can access it for free. There are a lot of available instruments like piano, guitar, violin, drums, flute, and even free loops. It doesn't have limited time for you to access it, but there are certain features that require purchase. And later on, I will show you the overview of this online website. So why is it important for you to make your own instrumentals, especially for YouTube creators? It's because of copyright claims. Copyright claims work if YouTube detects the same rhythm of the copyrighted music or song that you are using on your video. So you can avoid it by making your own instrumentals. Copyright claims affect the monetization of every YouTuber. So it's time for you to learn how to make your own instrumentals. And I will teach you how in a very simple way. For me, Soundtrap is the most convenient platform for music creators. You can also edit your vocals there, mixing your music, and also possible for project making in your school or simply having fun making your own music or song. Aside from Soundtrap, I also tried using FL Studio and Mixcraft. You may check those available softwares online and explore for more variety of creating music. So let's start our tutorial, get your laptop, and stay till the end. You should make your own Facebook account or Gmail account for you to access it in different desktop devices. In Soundtrap, one of the greatest advantages of this website is that you can collaborate with other people. And if you have a partner and you want to share ideas with, it is possible to make music and play instruments at the same time. So this is my account, and these are my works together with my collaborator. Go to the studio, then create a new project, and make a new title for your work. For the first step, change the tempo for the desired speed of your music. Also, be aware of the master volume. Explore the free loops for different genre of music. Start with the bass, click and drag your chosen loop to the first track. Just a reminder that these loops can only make background to your song. Applying melody is through the keyboard of your laptop, which I will show you later on. Adding these different loops can really make music. And let's see the outcome of this project. Like what I've said earlier, that it has a lot of available instruments like piano, guitar, violin, So now, I will show you some basic shortcut keyboard commands for more efficient work on Soundtrap. Control-I for showing the instruments. This is important for easy access to the instruments. Control-Space for the shortcut command for your recording. Then space for playing or stopping the audio. Then Control-E for cutting the audio into two portions. And last but not the least, Tab Control for sustaining your instruments. For me, making instrumentals is a real challenge. But because of one's determination, passion, creativity, and practice, yak na yakan natin. You may also adjust your recorded instrumentals to the piano roll. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na marami kayo natutunan. And again, I'm not a professional music maker po. You may comment down below your suggested contents, questions about this video. I just want to say na, keep on exploring the Soundtrap and other applications as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, happy 2,000 subscribers and more milestones to come. Bye!